Today, there are drones for everyone at all experience levels and for all age groups. Even youngsters can get in on the action now. Drones for beginners are not always suitable for kids under a certain age if the maker targets them at the older novice. If you're searching for the best drones for kids or you want to know more about buying a kid-friendly drone with the latest features, we can help you with some of the best products in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and for their buying links. Our list begins with the Altair AA108. It comes with a 120-degree wide-angle 720p HD camera that takes fantastic photos and videos in a bird's eye view right from your phone. Also, it can be flown both indoors and outdoors. Its long flight time and 2 batteries leave you having extra fun. You can use the 720p HD camera and built-in 120-degree wide-angle camera, which allows for the first-person view while flying. It enables you to connect to the Flying C app, and the AA108 will have access to some FPV flying features, including custom route mode, which allows users to draw a custom flight line on their smartphone. This drone offers a 100-meter flight range with 7 to 10 minutes of flight time. Constructed with durable plastic and designed to withstand crashes as pilots learn and build their flying skills, it provides a more stable hover than competing drones, making it reliable and easy to use for beginner pilots. Next up on the list, we have the Holy Stone HS170. It features 2.4 GHz technology for smooth operation with less interference, and it has an aerodynamic design to reduce wind resistance. This model includes a remote control and operates at a range of 30 meters to 50 meters. Its 6-axis gyro technology enables the drone to flip and roll by a simple push of the button. The colorful LED lights make it easy to identify the front and back to make the quad a great night flyer. It offers a headless mode that brings much more confidence for the beginners and young children, under which no matter what direction the aircraft is facing. However, it provides 3 different speed modes for beginners to more advanced pilots, and comes with a 2.4 GHz technology adapted for anti-interference. The Snapton H823H drone is a compact drone with multiple functions designed primarily for novice pilots. In headless mode, you can fly the drone without worrying about what direction it is facing, especially when the drone is far away. Its LED blue headlight allows pilots to orient themselves quickly for flying. The remote control is made from plastic and is ideal for children because it is small in size. It offers an automated functions button on the corner of the controller. However, the remote has buttons on it that allow you to change the flight trim. It includes a full built-in protective guard that acts as a shock absorber that reduces the impact and helps to ensure that the drone maintains its stability. For instance, this drone features speed mode that gives flexibility and a smooth learning curve. It has limited flight time and remote control distance, which is reasonable within its price range. Meet up the all-new SpaceKey FPV. This drone has an aerofoil and fuselage made of a PA plastic which is more durable than ABS, making it convenient for flying indoors and outdoors. It is app-controlled and features a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera for FPV real-time transmissions, as well as headless mode, 3D flip function, multiple speed modes, night LEDs, and 1-key takeoff and landing. Also, it comes with a low battery alarm warning, and it can be returned to where it takes off just by pressing 1-key return button. Press the button on the right side of the controller to watch a live video stream and snap awesome panoramic shots with the FPV function in your smartphone to share with family and friends. The foldable and flexible PA plastic aerofoil and fuselage are more durable than standard ABS, and meaning can be flown both indoors and outdoors. Its folding arms make it portable so that you can take the fun with you anywhere you go. In addition, LED navigation lights and a remote control indicator light make night flights another fun option. The Holy Stone F181C RC quadcopter drone is another drone that is easy to use and inexpensive enough for children to practice with. It has a 1-key return button and headless security system to prevent losing the drone and keep beginners at ease. Also, it comes with 4 speed modes, so it's great for beginners and experts. The altitude hold function keeps the drone at its current level when the throttle is released. Once you get the hang of flying, this drone can perform 3D flips and rolls. It has a flight time of 7 to 10 minutes. It comes equipped with a 720p HD camera with a 4GB micro SD card included. take amazing pictures and videos with this drone. On the other hand, the drone is made for ages 14 and up, so anyone younger should only use this drone with an adult present. Up next on the list, we have the Potensic upgraded A20. This kid's drone comes with 2 detachable batteries and 3 adjustable speed levels, delivering excellent flying experience for amateurs and advanced pilots alike. It is equipped with 4 round propeller guards all around the direction to protect your drone from damage when meeting collision. Very durable for kids playing. It also has altitude hold function for stable flight outdoors or indoors. Plus, this drone provides 3 adjustable speed levels so that you can start slow while you learn to fly with this drone. Its 2 detachable batteries come with a flight time of 12 minutes and give spare propellers in case of accidents. Lastly, at the top of the list, we have the Altair 818 Hornet. This is a remote control beginner drone that gets 15 minutes of flight time per battery and comes with 2 batteries in the box, which gives you twice the flight to enjoy with your friends and family before recharging. It includes a 120-degree wide-angle 720p high-definition camera that can take amazing aerial photos and videos in bird's eye view. You can line up your shot using a phone or tablet from up to 60 meters away. This long-range drone is combined with 15 minutes of flight times, and the quality of the camera itself makes the Hornet one of the best camera drones for beginners ever made. With altitude hold, you can capture smooth and steady footage without worrying about maintaining altitude with the joystick. Thanks for watching.